It has been demonstrated that microwave propagates in dielectric media including vacuum as transversal wave. It cannot propagate longitudinally there. On the other hand, in conductive media, microwave can only propagate longitudinally. Transversal wave is reflected by conductors. In this video, we are going to investigate longitudinal propagation of microwave through meander sheet. It has transversal as well as longitudinal component for propagation medium of microwave. By conducting these experiments, we hope to find underlying basic principles that cause those phenomena. First, we'll show the effect of a conductive medium to transversal microwave propagation as a reference. We use a metallic paper as raw material to our meander sheet. Metallic paper is used here because it's easy to mark, cut and fold. It's also less prone to tearing apart compared to aluminum foil. We can see that this thin metallic paper can completely block the microwave. The meander sheets are constructed by marking lines on them 5 mm apart. They are then folded accordingly. We need to put frames on both ends to keep the shape of our meander sheets. Here we'll use folded thick paper. Let's test the meander sheet to block propagation of microwave. We can see that this meander sheet blocks it. The next step is to break longitudinal propagation in meander sheet. It's done by cutting its longitudinal parts. We'll cut the sheet on the longitudinal sides between folding lines. We leave the transversal sides intact. We need to make sure that the cuts are thorough to avoid ambiguous results. To get a good meander shape, we may apply electrically non-conductive glue on the cutting lines. Just like before, we also have to put frames on both ends of the folded sheet. Our final step is to test the longitudinally cut meander sheet to block microwave propagation. It's clear that most of the microwave can pass through now. Note that the only difference from previous tests is the cuts in longitudinal parts of the meander sheet. They have the same transversal parts.